Hey guys, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble and grab our free Teacher Appreciation Week treat bags. So if you're interested, make sure you watch the entire video. If you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la.
You can grab this Teacher Appreciation Week freebie by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog posts. Click the download PDF here. The PDF file will be added to your cart. You will have to proceed to check out, but no payment information is needed. Also, over on our website, you can check out our graduation party favors that you can personalize, download, and print today. Alright guys, you can find a link to our website to grab this free printable in the description box down below, along with all the materials that I use to assemble. If you end up using this, please feel free to tag me at Hanging with the Kiddos on Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.